What is going on, everybody? We are back with a brand new YouTube video. Today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére while you were sleeping, the 2024 Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére. And I have a question for you. Is this sneaker better than the OG, the white pair? We're going to discuss, we're going to find out. I did pick these up from Nike. I got exclusive access. I also hit on the A Ma Maniére website. I got rid of that pair already, but I did get this pair from Nike. Exclusive access. Retail was $225. I believe we are still going to be getting a wider release of this shoe, so if you missed out, you can wait it out. Prices, they're coming down. They'll go for right around that retail price, give or take. Maybe with tax, you're paying around $240, $250. And yeah, it's a very nice box. Here is the box. I like the box. I really do like the box. Little switch up, and it opens like this. Okay. Something unique. We don't usually get boxes like this. I like that. Switch up. And we have the A Ma Maniére logo. And, ooh, this box is really nice. I like the box. Packaging, A Ma Maniére, as you guys know, they kill it on the packaging. You do have the A's for the A Ma Maniére logo on the top. And we have, what is this? It looks like, they just kill it. With the burgundy on the dust bag there, some cloth. And we have the shoe. Oh, we have the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3 in the black colorway. $30. Oh my goodness, $30. Stop spending $100+ on a sneaker bag when you can get this crease guard sneaker bag for just $30 with free shipping. You get a free crease guard as well with every purchase. Go to creaseguards.com, use my code Danny in caps to receive this discount, $30. Let's go ahead and grab them both out. We'll take them both out. We'll take a look at the shoes. And I do want you guys to drop your comments. Let me know down below. Comment a bunch of fire emojis if you guys did pick these up. If you guys passed for whatever reason, please comment down below a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the A Ma Maniére 3 and who did not. Now, these do come with some extra laces. It's stuck in there. I hate these boxes. They always fall apart. But yeah, we do have some extra laces there. And we have the shoe. Oh man, these are really nice. These are really nice. I do like them a lot. I do. I did see some people saying they're too close to black cement 3s. Listen, this is not a black cement 3. They look nothing alike. I don't know who thought that. I saw it on, I think, Instagram. I was like, what? I saw a post. I'm like, what is this person talking about? They're not even the same shoe. So don't compare these to the black cement 3s. Compare these, if anything, I guess, to the white, the OG A Ma Maniére 3. Are these better? I want you guys to drop your comment and let me know down below in the comment section what you think. Me personally, the white pair is better. I think it's probably my second favorite A Ma Maniére sneaker. To me, the best is the 4, the OG 4. The new 4 that's coming out is cool, but I do like the OG pair better. However, if you guys can take a look behind me, I don't have any A Ma Manières. I got rid of them all. I'm not really crazy hype into A Ma Maniére. I never truly was. I got them for retail. All of them I've hit basically for retail. And just, yeah, held on to some of them. Others I just sold. I'm not really crazy about A Ma Maniére. I never truly was. I'm being more selective now than I ever have been with sneakers. So I'm not going to wind up keeping these. I don't have the white pair. I did get rid of them. However, I do truly believe that quality and just the storytelling, the details, it's all there. So if you guys are looking for a nice quality shoe, something you can wear a lot, that's not going to break the bank too much, and it's a collab at the end of the day with really nice materials, and it's not a traditional standard general release sneaker, it's a good shoe. They really are. I do like them a lot. They are wearable. I think the black colorway here on the 3, it's more wearable, I'll say that, than the white pair of the 3s. I think you could pull these off easier. That I'll say. So I think this is going to be a shoe you guys can really wear. Now, the details are crazy. You do have black tumbled leather, and the tumbled leather, it's nice. You know, it's Jordan brand
Jordan 3 material. So you do get really nice tumbled leather. And then you do have up the tongue the burgundy crush hits with the A Ma Maniére logo there on the tongue as well. Black laces come on them. And you do have some extra hang tag there with the Nike Air. And then, of course, the A Ma Maniére hang tag as well. And then you take a look at the suede. It's not your traditional elephant print. You do get the suede along the back heel as well as around the toe cap. The midsole, you do have that eggshell cream midsole, which is nice, and it does match the back with the Nike Air as well. I did see some people have some bleeding on some pairs. This pair, no bleeding at all. So that's good, but I did see some people have some bleeding, so watch out for your pairs on the Nike Air. It could bleed. Especially with jeans, it definitely will. So wash your jeans inside out. There's a little tip for you, a little tip. Oh, they do come with more laces. Here's an extra set as well. So we got, what is this? We got cream. We have the, what is this? The burgundy brown almost colorway. I'm not going to take them out, but there they are. And then we have the black that come on the shoe already. So 3 sets of laces. Very nice. Very nice. And yeah, quilted sock liner. You guys know the quilted material. They've done it on pretty much almost all, if not all of them, which is cool. They keep it going. And I do see people complaining about the colorways all being the same, very similar, because it is the burgundy crush colorway theme. And listen, I understand the complaints, but it's kind of their color palette. It's what they're known for at this point. So they're going to keep it going. You got to understand, they're going to keep it going, and I don't blame them. You know, it makes sense. It's what they're known for. They want to switch it up, they can, but it doesn't look like they're going to with all the rest of this collection that's releasing as well. There's like, I think 6 pairs releasing, some other shoes. To me, I only really cared about the Jordans. I didn't really care about the rest, to be honest, personally. And yeah, I do think these are really clean. Nike hit there on the bottom with that cream, the brown, the burgundy crush. It's just a really nice colorway. Very nice. They're wearable, and I don't think you guys will complain when you guys get them in hand. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys did pick these up. Is there any messages on the back? I believe there is. Maybe. Yeah, there is. So there is do. What does that say? Do something on the back. So each time, I know, like, you know, A Ma Maniére, they always have the subtle details. So if you peel it back, you know, you're not really supposed to, but if you do it, you will see some writing there. Do something on the back heel written in there. So yeah, that's really nice. Just they kill it with the details, and yeah, the storytelling is just a really good shoe overall. And the suede, it's very, very soft to the touch, which I really do like. I think the suede is probably my favorite part about the shoe, how hairy that suede is. Very hairy suede, as you guys can see. Very hairy, very nappy, very, very nice. Good quality suede. You do not want to get that suede wet. I'm warning you guys, you do not want to get that suede wet. All right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the A Ma Maniére 3s. Retail was $225. And yeah, we all know sneakers are just going up and up and up in price. As far as retail, resell, no. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the A Ma Maniére 3s. They should be an easy cop if you want them. I don't think you'll have a tough time of really grabbing a pair. And if you do miss out, you're not going to wind up paying too much over retail, which is a good thing as well. So A Ma Maniére 3s have certainly became much more affordable, because the white pair at one point was going for like $600-$700 when it was sneaker of the year that year, I believe in 2022. So yeah, finally 2 years later, and they gave us another A Ma Maniére 3. And we're getting the 4s again as well. Or was it 2021 for the A Ma Maniére 3? I don't know. It was either 2 or 3 years ago, guys. It's been a while since we've had the OG 3 release. But they're back here with the other colorway. It made sense to flip it and make it black. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Pick one down below in the comments, the OG or the black pair. Personally, OG, but I do like the black pair as well. I think they're very clean, and you can wear them a lot. Good shoe. Retails $225. More pairs, more sneakers are coming here to the channel. If you guys love sneakers, make sure you guys subscribe. You do got the Jumpman and the A Ma Maniére logo, of course, on the tongues. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button for me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire straight fire.